Hi, today's video we'd like to discuss how to find the remainder when polynomial is divided by another polynomial. So here we are given polynomial p of x, degree 3, and another polynomial we divided by is linear function. So before we start this question, let me remind you how you divide a number by the other one. For example, let me divide 9 by 4. Then I'm pretty sure everybody can easily figure out the quotient here too. So if you subtract 8 from 9, remainder is equal to 1. Then from there, we can write down 9 is equal to 4 times 2 plus 1, which means here 2 came from the quotient, 1 came from remainder. We do the same thing over here. We replace 9 by p of x. So p of x is equal to our divisor x plus 2. Unfortunately, we don't know the quotient yet, but let me say q of x. This is the quotient, and plus remainder r. Since we divide the polynomial by linear function, remainder is a constant. For example, if you have a similar question but divide by quadratic function, you're supposed to start with your remainder is a linear function. Then we are going to plug in x is equal to -2, both sides. You might have a question, where does -2 come from? This -2 come from how to make x plus 2 become 0. So if you have x plus 3, you're going to plug in -3 both sides. The reason is that this whole thing becomes 0 because -2 plus 2 becomes 0, multiplied by x cube of -2 becomes 0. Then what we can drive it, next line is p of -2 equal to r. Since the question is to find the r, now we evaluate p of -2. Let me write down here. So what is p of -2? So 5 times -2 cubed minus 2 times -2 squared plus 19 times -2 plus 7. The first one, -2 cubed is equal to -8. So it is multiplied by 5 is 40, so -40. Next one, -2 squared is equal to +4 times -2 is equal to -8. And 19 times -2 is equal to -38 plus 7. So we have, if you add all negative numbers, this is negative, so -48 minus 38 is -76 plus 7. No, this is not -76. I think -86. Sorry, my bad. Then if you add a 7, that is -79. So the answer is -79. Thank you for watching.